And the bird's sitting on the power lines. Very good. This must be their bloody runway. Oh, this guy just cruising in here. Not even flapping his wings. You probably can't see him, but I can. He's just gliding along. How much energy does that take? Hey? Oh, look out! I missed it, you freaking idiot. That just goes to show how cold it is. Morning.
Hi, and welcome to our channel, Our Place to Be. My name is Peter, and this is Janelle. We met online in 2017 and were married in 2020. We soon recognised that we both had a desire to travel, retire early, and live simply. We first travelled locally, but the attraction of Southeast Asia intrigued us, and so, in 2018, we set off to Vietnam, staying in magical Hoi An. In 2019, we arrived in Thailand during Songkran. That same year, we managed a chance trip to Fiji, where we were engaged. March 2020, as that situation started to grip the world, we set off to Bali in hope of completing the trip we had planned. Unfortunately, the stay was cut short, and we were on one of the last flights back to Australia before the borders closed. Later this year, we will return to Bali to finish the trip we started. When and where we choose to be next is exciting just to imagine. Regardless of where that will be, we will be together in our place to be.
Morning. Welcome to sunrise at George Reserve, Port Stephens. It's about 6 degrees. Don't normally wear a beanie. The GoPro is set up down here. That's the GoPro. About to get the drone up and see what happens.
Oh baby, I love your madness. It's so incredibly beautiful. Oh, you shine like gold, so selfless to all, and wild like an animal. Some would say I'm insane in the right and away, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know, and give me your freedom. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium, life is so easy. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium. The limit of love is endless, I know. Just do what you want with me. Yeah, I want it all. Could care less the cost. such a pandemonium.
So the drone's been up, but I've run out of battery, so I'm going to wait till I can just about see the sun before putting it up again. It's pretty cold. A couple of fishermen have just arrived. Pete the Pelican's just arrived. Just waiting for the sun, so I'm presuming it's coming up directly in front of that boat. Kookaburras are off in the background. Welcome to Australia. This is their sunrise call. They're normally pretty accurate, these guys, knowing that the sun's coming up. Just here and there in the background. Everything's coming to life. My mother might even walk along this beach shortly at the age of 87. Oh, that's why these guys are standing on the bank. They're about to get in. Anyway, maybe this guy's got this boat moored off here somewhere and he catches a little tinny out to his little mooring. I'll be probably going straight out the heads, the swell. I'm not sure what it's like out the heads this morning. It's been quite big with the bad weather that we've had. Another beautiful morning in Port Stephens. See if I can't get my head in this for a tick with my beanie on. Don't normally wear beanies, but it just goes to show how cold it is. Morning. I've just looked on the internet and apparently sunrise is in approximately 8 minutes. Let's see how good they are. At 6:50 a.m. I got here at about 6:30, I suppose. Here comes the sun. Oop. I wonder if they'll go out their heads. Oh, he's in the mud, I think. Doesn't sound too good. I reckon it's getting colder. Look, here's another bird. Pelican's looking for his breakfast. I'll be looking for my breakfast in a minute. Oh, well, I think we have some rays of light coming. I'm going to put the drone up. Let's see if we can do this and do both at the same time. Nope, fingers. Bugger. Come on, son. Oop. Bloody hell. Pack of the birds. We did a sunset last night. I don't know if I've said that. We did a sunset on the other side of this escarpment that I'm sitting on. Oh, that's right. Better not forget the GoPro. It's still sitting down here taking photos. So I presume it's still on. Yes, hasn't run out of battery. I can still see light. That's all good. Oh, it just took another photo. So I've got it literally pointing between the heads and the sunrise, so that should pick that up. So as soon as we get this little orange item in vision up above those line of cloud, probably in about 3 months it'll actually come up directly between the heads, so that'll definitely be a couple of mornings where it'll be worth coming over. Across the other side there, it takes about an hour to drive over there. That's what they call tea gardens and hawk's nest. tea gardens being slightly, well, when I say slightly, it's only a couple of k's inland, but there is a waterway to get from here to there. This whole waterway of Port Stephens goes all the way up into tea gardens and up into what they call the Mile Lakes. Here comes the sun, do 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 do. No, was that copyright? You allowed to sing? I don't know. Oops, sorry. It is Sunday, so. Sunday the 18th of July, 2022. What a wonderful year 2022 has been. Oh, this guy just cruising in here. Not even flapping his wings. You probably can't see him, but I can. He's just gliding along. How much energy does that take? Hey? Oh, look out! I missed it, you friggin' idiot. I should check what time it is, shouldn't I?
Your madness, it's so incredibly beautiful. Oh, you shine like gold, so selfless to all, and wild like an animal. Some would say I'm insane in the right in a way, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know, and give me your freedom. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium, life is so easy. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium. The limit of love is endless, I know. Just do what you want with me. Yeah, I want it all. Could care less the cost. I give you my everything. Some would say I'm insane in the right in a way, but I just love to play